Hey there, budget enthusiasts. If you're diving into the world of YNAB, that's you need a budget, you're already on your way to financial mastery. Today, we're tackling a super useful feature: how to split a transaction. Why? Because not every purchase fits neatly into one category. Think of that grocery run where you grabbed food, toiletries, and maybe a coffee. Splitting transactions helps you track your money more accurately, so let's jump right in. First things first. Open up your YNAB app or website and head to your transaction list. Find the transaction you want to split, maybe that $100 debit from the store. Click on it to open the details. Now, look for the Split button, usually right there in the transaction editor. Go ahead and click it. This will create sub-transactions under the main one. Next, you'll see fields to add the details for each split. Enter the amount for the first part. For example, if $60 was for groceries, put that in and assign it to your groceries category. Then, add another line for the rest, like $40 for household items, and categorize it accordingly. YNAB makes this easy with drop-down menus for categories, so double-check that everything adds up to the original total. Don't forget to add notes if needed. Maybe jot down why you split it or any details that help you remember. Once you're happy, hit Save or Done. Voila! Your transaction is now neatly divided, giving you a clearer picture of your spending. Splitting transactions might seem like a small step, but it can make a huge difference in your budgeting game. It ensures your categories are precise, which helps with reporting and avoiding overspending. If you're new to YNAB, practice this on a few transactions to get the hang of it. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more budgeting tips. See you next time.